down. Millions will be affected, and you won't believe who benefits first. Your one subscribe motivates us to bring you daily, authentic immigration news. Let's start with the overall impact. The 2025 immigration process will now be faster, more transparent, and more family-friendly. For people stuck in long delays, heavy backlogs, or complicated paperwork, this bill marks the beginning of a new era. Congress claims that waiting times will drop significantly, and eligibility rules in several visa categories have been relaxed. One of the biggest reforms targets the employment-based immigration system. Skilled workers who want to build a future in the U.S. will now see more opportunities in 2025. The cap system has been adjusted, giving the U.S. a stronger position to compete globally for top talent. Experts say this could help reduce worker shortages in tech, engineering, healthcare, science, and many other fields. Family-based immigration has also gone through massive updates. Long separations that have been a painful issue for years will now be reduced through faster visa processing and modernized systems. Additional funding and staffing have been approved to clear backlogs. If everything moves as planned, family reunification cases will be processed at record speed in 2025. Green card applicants are also celebrating. This bill revives thousands of unused visas from past years and puts them back into circulation. People whose cases have been stuck for years may finally see approvals. Analysts are calling this move a major step toward clearing the pipeline. Border security and enforcement policies have been adjusted with a balanced approach. While illegal entry prevention remains a priority, the new system also aims to give fair opportunities to people following legal procedures. Congress emphasized that this bill focuses on both security and opportunity. Asylum procedures are undergoing a major transformation. A new rapid review system will help identify genuine asylum cases quickly while filtering out fraudulent applications early in the process. This is crucial because the asylum backlog had reached its highest levels. Public response has been intense. Social media exploded with mixed reactions, some calling the bill a historic win, others raising concerns. But one thing everyone agrees on, the 2025 immigration landscape will not follow old rules. It's a brand new system with stronger focus on speed, clarity, and fairness. If you're currently in the U.S. immigration process or planning to apply, these updates could transform your future. Everything moving forward will be based on this legislation, so staying informed and keeping your documents ready is extremely important. This bill has the potential to make 2025 one of the most significant years in U.S. immigration history. These were the official updates that will completely reshape U.S. immigration in 2025 after Congress passed this new bill. If you're already in the immigration process or planning to apply soon, these changes could be life-changing for you. Keep your documents updated, stay informed, and follow each new announcement closely. For fresh, fast, and accurate immigration updates, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next.
Fire. Parents, the U.S. just changed the citizenship rules for 2025, and these new policies could completely reshape your child's future. In 2025, the United States has introduced several new citizenship-related policies that every parent, guardian, and family considering a future in America needs to understand. These changes are part of a broader effort to modernize the immigration system, tighten certain requirements, and make other pathways more predictable. But the biggest question families are asking right now is simple. How do these new rules affect my children, and what should I prepare for? Let's start with the biggest update: processing timelines. For years, families have struggled with long delays in citizenship and naturalization cases, especially for children applying through their parents. Under the new 2025 reforms, USCIS is implementing faster digital review systems. This means applications for children under 18, especially those applying through their parents' naturalization, are expected to be completed more quickly. The government says the goal is to reduce wait times by nearly 30%, a major relief for parents who have been stuck in long backlogs. Another important change is regarding documentation. Parents will now be required to provide more detailed proof of legal custody, physical presence, and continuous residence when applying for a child's citizenship. In the past, documentation flexibility allowed some families to submit limited evidence. But under the 2025 rules, USCIS officers are instructed to verify a broader set of documents before approving a case. This means families should prepare birth records, school enrollment proof, medical records, or any official paper showing the child lived with the parent in the United States. The government's reasoning is to prevent errors and ensure every child's eligibility is clearly established. A major update that has gained attention is the new guidelines for children born abroad to U.S. citizens. Previously, certain rules created confusion for parents who lived overseas but maintained U.S. citizenship. Now in 2025, the U.S. has clarified that children born abroad to married U.S. citizen parents will have a simpler, more streamlined process to obtain citizenship documentation. In mixed-status families, where one parent is a U.S. citizen and the other is not, the U.S. citizens still must meet the physical presence requirement, but the government has allowed new evidence categories to help families prove it more easily. This is especially helpful for military families, long-term travelers, and parents working internationally. One of the most talked about topics is the new language and civics standard for teenage applicants. While children under 18 normally receive citizenship automatically through their parents, older teens applying independently may face updated interview guidelines. The 2025 policy refresh focuses more on understanding American values, basic rights, and responsibilities. The test is not harder, but examiners will now give more scenario-based questions to measure real-life understanding, not just memorized facts. This shift aims to help young new citizens integrate more confidently into American life. Another area parents must pay attention to is the enhanced security screening system. The U.S. has deployed new identity verification tools to prevent fraud, which means cases may undergo extra checks. Although this sounds concerning, officials say it won't delay most family-based cases. Still, parents should ensure all information in their applications is accurate, consistent, and supported by documents. Perhaps one of the most beneficial changes is the new support program for newly naturalized families. Children and parents who become citizens in 2025 will receive access to free online resources explaining federal benefits, education pathways, and rights under U.S. law. The goal is to help families transition smoothly after naturalization and avoid confusion about what citizenship truly offers. Overall, the 2025 citizenship policy changes are designed to modernize the system, make documentation more reliable, speed up processing for children, and provide clearer guidance for families living abroad. But for parents, the most important takeaway is preparation. Being organized, gathering strong documents, and understanding the new rules can make the process not only faster, but far less stressful. As the year continues, more updates may come, but for now, these are the key changes every parent should know. Families planning their future in the United States should stay informed, stay prepared, and take advantage of the clearer, more streamlined pathway to citizenship available in 2025. These new 2025 citizenship policies are already impacting thousands of families across the United States and around the world. Some parents will benefit from smoother, faster approvals, while others could face unexpected challenges if they're not prepared. So make sure you stay updated, stay organized, and take every change seriously. If you want more clear, simple, and real immigration updates,